Stop saying positive. This word makes you sound smarter. Sanguine. Pronounce it as sanguine, with the san like sand, without the d, and guin like penguin without the pay. It means optimistically cheerful and confident, especially in a seemingly difficult situation. Despite the market downturn, her sanguine outlook kept the team motivated, certain that recovery was imminent. Instead of saying positive, say sanguine to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word sanguine in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.